Welcome. This video guides you through installing front and rear license plates on your Tesla Model Y 2026. While many states don't require front plates, others do, and rear plates are universally mandatory. We'll cover everything from understanding the bracket types to avoiding common installation pitfalls, ensuring legal compliance and optimal sensor performance. As of January 2026, Tesla provides standardized kits for easy DIY installation. We'll focus on using these kits. Tesla's design philosophy emphasizes minimalism. License plate mounting on the Model Y 2026 is designed to integrate with the car's aerodynamics and sensor placement. You'll be working with two main types of brackets: a rear plate bracket that attaches to the tailgate and a front plate bracket that secures to a recess on the front bumper. Tesla now uses stronger, lightweight aluminum alloys for these brackets as of late 2025. Before you start, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a torque wrench set to 5 to 7 feet-pounds, and the Tesla-provided license plate mounting kit. The kit includes the brackets for front and rear plates, screws that Tesla recommends as hex head to prevent theft, and installation instructions. The kits are either free or low cost, around $20 to $50. Make sure your kit contains all the necessary parts before proceeding. The front plate installation requires more attention to detail to avoid blocking radar sensors. Locate the license plate recess on the front bumper. Align the front bracket carefully using the vehicle's alignment marks. Secure the bracket with screws. Be precise. Misalignment can interfere with autopilot functionality. Some owners have reported needing custom spacers due to minor fitment issues on the 2026's slightly redesigned front bumper. These spaces can be obtained from your local hardware store for a cheap cost. The 2026 Model Y includes software features for license plate security. The updated firmware version 2025.44.2 uses sensors to detect improperly secured plates and notifies owners via the vehicle's touchscreen. If you encounter sensor alerts after installation, start by double-checking the alignment of the plate to ensure it doesn't interfere with sensors. Then verify that all screws are securely tightened without being over-tight. Remember to avoid over-tightening the screws, as this could cause warping of the bumper material. Aim for 5 to 7 foot-pounds of torque to ensure secure mounting without damage. Safety is paramount when installing license plates on your Tesla Model Y. Always ensure the plates do not impede the vehicle's LiDAR sensors, which detect obstacles for navigation, ultrasonic sensors that assist with parking, or cameras essential for autopilot vision. Blocking these can compromise the vehicle's ability to detect pedestrians, other vehicles, or obstacles, potentially leading to safety risks. Tesla's guidelines are clear. Improper installation can void your vehicle's warranty or negatively impact autopilot performance. For example, if plates interfere with sensors, it might trigger false readings or reduce the system's effectiveness. Additionally, compliance with state laws is crucial. In states like Texas and Florida that require front license plates, Tesla provides specialized adapters to ensure proper fitment without compromising safety features. The future of license plates is evolving with exciting trends that could change how we comply with vehicle registration requirements. Digital license plates, or e-plates, integrate directly into the vehicle's display system, eliminating the need for physical mounting. As of 2026, Tesla is experimenting with software-based plate display on the vehicle's touchscreen, allowing dynamic updates and reducing theft risks. Customization is gaining popularity, with owners using 3D printed adapters for unique vanity plates and adding LED lights for enhanced visibility. When customizing, always prioritize safety and compliance to avoid interfering with vehicle sensors or violating regulations. Looking ahead, Tesla may phase out physical plates entirely by 2027-2028, potentially eliminating the need for manual installation through embedded RFID chips or augmented reality displays.